husband will take me to my nail spa. Habit for where?
Shush. Don't you look like a Psst. You look like a rant. She's coming. She's over. I want to videotape you. Somebody will take you.
There's the actor. Oh. Okay, you're the model there. You're the model there. Thank you, honey. Okay. Water. Ah. The gel spa. What was it? Lumiaw eh. Diretso na. I'm gonna pick pink. Pa oh. Pwede wine ko no, pero di man ta mo inog wine, kanir na lang. Describe na ang kubal-kubal. Gahi nga kubal. Stuff. What is that?
Exfoliante.
Ah, exfoliant. Okay.
Pepper. Plantains.
May kayong masahe.
Exfoliante.
Exfoliate.
Exfoliate.
Foliate.
Smell.
Uh-huh. Yes, honey. Special here. You're gonna kiss my feet now. Oh, God. Palagdas na naman niyo eh. Share. Huh?
That's what we call feet.
Barky's feet.
What?
Ow.
Put your foot down and start videotaping. Make it work for you to start.
Eh, sino pangalan mo to? Here.
Obama said they could magic shoes.
And it becomes
They did.
white my legs now. Look the difference. Relax kayo. Oh. Special treatment. Oh. You have a good tip here. Ah, that feels good. Nagtiil sa tabaw.